Fortune.
Entering your discretion.
Go 42.
Yeah, 42 simple. Adam 37.
Adam 3, I'm going to be clear. I spoke to bus driver that's sitting in her personal vehicle. She hasn't seen anything like that yet. She's going to be here for a few minutes. If she sees anything, she'll call. I have negative contact. I'll be 24, no report.
Yeah, 3 simple.
After 300 yards, you've reached your destination. Exit the roadway as soon as able and taxi departure. Resume normal navigation.
Hayward Fire. McLean Fire is requesting a brush truck to 2988 North, 400 East Road in McLean. 2988 North, 400 East Road in McLean, requesting a Hayworth brush truck for a field fire. Metcom clear 1458.